What's up, YouTube? This is Nick from Smart Stocks, and if you want to get smart in the stock market and follow my journey through the stock market, then subscribe below. Alright, let's get to the video I got for you guys today. So with the market being down right now, I want to tell you guys about a couple of stocks that I've been buying on the dips. Since the dip's been happening over the last couple weeks, I've been buying 3 stocks. And those 3 stocks are Workhorse, LCA, and Apple. So as most of you guys might know, there's been a big correction in the market lately, and there's been a dip in the last week or so with a lot of stocks like Workhorse, Helion, LCA, Apple, Microsoft. A lot of stocks have been down in general. Now, I bought Apple stock when it was in the 112s. Right now, I believe it's at 115, and just a couple weeks ago it was at 125. So the reason I bought Apple stock is because Apple stock, honestly, I don't think it's ever a bad time to invest. I think it'll always go up over time, over the next 10 years. For the foreseeable future. So Apple stock pays a nice little dividend. I have no problem buying an Apple stock anytime it dips. That's kind of my go-to stock to buy when it dips is Apple stock or Microsoft stock. So I bought some Apple stock, just bought a couple of shares. I had gotten the stock for 111, so not really, adding too much to my cost averages. Most of you guys know Apple stock is gonna keep going up. There's no reason to really fret about it. I think that money is safe. I think it'll go up and give you a nice return each year on your investment. I think we'll be using MacBooks and Apple products for the next 10, 20 years. Apple Music. Apple is a great stock that I've been investing in, and I will continue investing in at least $100 a week for probably 40 years. Keep in mind, over the last year alone, Apple stock has gone up 85%. Around Christmas time, I expect the stock to go up even more, especially if there's a stimulus package that's announced. Another stock that I've been buying recently that's had a lot of drama lately, and that's Workhorse. Workhorse is a stock that was at one time, just a few weeks ago, hitting $31 a share, and now it crashed 50% almost at one point to go down to $17. Workhorse at one point was at $31 a share, and it was a great time. We were all happy as investors. At the time of recording, Workhorse right now is at $16.92, and it's been at $16 for the last couple of days. I believe that this is just happening because so many people were riding on that UPS contract, or they're just pulling their money out and waiting until after the election and then reinvesting the money. Unfortunately, I believe we're gonna have some turbulent times for Workhorse. I'm not buying a lot of shares right now, but I bought in at 23 originally, so I am cost averaging down and buying a few shares at 16 and 17. I think the stock could go down to 13 over the next couple weeks. Who really knows? But I don't think we need to be worried. I don't think we need to be selling our Workhorse stock. I don't think that needs to be happening at all. I think that we will be getting the USPS contract announced by the end of the year. I think the stock will soar after that, and I think we have nothing to worry about. And even if they don't get the contract, I think still holding it long term will yield results. And my last stock that I've been investing in, and that's LCA. LCA is a SPAC. It'll be merging with Golden Nugget Gaming, and it's a huge opportunity for anyone who wants to possibly see 10 times X on their money over the next 10 years. And that's because online gambling hasn't become legal in every single state yet. This stock was only at $19 about a month ago, and now it's hovering at about $11, $12 range. I think it's a perfect time to get in. This stock is a $30 stock in my opinion. Some people believe that the stock is a risky investment, but I believe that it's gonna be a long-term growth stock. With online gambling getting more popular, especially after COVID, I don't believe there's any reason to believe the states won't legalize online gambling soon. So guys, I've been buying LCA, Workhorse, and Apple this week. What have you guys been buying this week? Please let me know in the comments below. Please remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Look into these stocks yourself and get the information so that you feel comfortable investing in these stocks. And let me know what you guys are doing. Are you guys buying these stocks? Are you selling these stocks? What are your top 3 stocks that you're buying this week? I would love to know. And please guys, as always, comment, subscribe, and like below. It really helps out the channel, helps it grow. So as always guys, I'll catch you out next time. Have a good one.